Usually when Laura from San Remo comes to the Everyday Gourmet kitchen, we're cooking lasagnas, cannelloni, puttanesca sauces. Very Italian.
Very Italian.
Today we're going to be doing an Asian-inspired dish.
We are. First time ever in Everyday Gourmet history. I thought I'd mix it up, Justine. I think it's time. So we're going to do a little pork and chilli stir fry using the vermicelli egg noodles today. So a really beautiful product, really thin egg nests. So what we've done was just blanch them for 6 minutes and then cool them down and tossed it with a little bit of oil so it doesn't stick. And it just makes the whole process so much easier as well. So I'll get you to start chopping if that's all right. So I've got some ginger and spring onions, so just on the angle or however you feel like chopping them.
However you like it, I will do.
Now it is really spicy, this little stir fry dish. I've done this quite a few times at home and I do love a bit of chilli. So if you don't, maybe just use one of the bird's eye chilies, not all three like we are today.
Well, you've made me your famous puttanesca pasta a few times. And that has a kick to it, so I can only imagine how hot this is going to be with the small chilies.
It's going to be very hot. So we've got some garlic, some chilli, the ginger and the spring onions, which we will fry off in a bit of olive oil. Now, obviously, usually you would use more of a neutral oil when cooking more Asian-style foods, but here's the little Laura influence in this dish, we'll say. So a nice glug of olive oil, garlic, ginger, then we've got pork mince. So you can use chicken mince or beef mince if you like, but I love using the pork because it's still quite fatty and just like holds its moisture really nicely as well. So we're going to go in with garlic.
And as we always say with stir fries, get everything ready, mise en place, and then start cooking because it's all about flash frying and getting everything into the pan quite quickly because the heat's so hot in that wok.
Absolutely. So straight in, that ginger smells so good.
It does.
So we just want to like allow all these flavours to just soften up, get all the beautiful natural flavours out of it, and then we'll slowly add in the pork mince and start browning it off.
Okay.
Beautiful. Now I'm going to add just a touch of salt. We are obviously using soy sauce, but just a little bit just at the beginning, just to fry this all off.
That smells good, doesn't it?
Beautiful. All right, Justine, so this is caramelising nicely. We'll add in the pork mince now, and we're just going to break it all up, fry it all off, pop it all in. That's fine. We just want to brown it.
And it's just a small amount of mince. And you don't need much because we've got quite a lot of noodles and it's going to take on all the flavour from the ginger and the chilli. So it's actually quite an economical dish to do for the whole family.
You could even, leave the meat out, add some capsicums or zucchini, some snow peas. Alright, it might get you to add the sesame seeds in if that's alright. So we'll add them in now. Beautiful. And then we've got 3 sauces over there, if you wouldn't mind passing them over. So we've got some hoisin, some sesame oil and some soy sauce.
How much?
Yeah, that looks good. Beautiful.
Some soy.
Beautiful. Thank you.
If you don't say stop, I'll keep adding sauce because I like everything to be quite saucy.
That's fine by me, Justine. And then some sesame oil. Beautiful. And then what we'll do is we'll add the pasta in.
And because you added that olive oil to the pasta, you can see it's not gluggy, it's not sticking together.
No, absolutely not. All right, Justine, we'll just give this a good toss. And if you wouldn't mind actually tearing some coriander leaves in here, that would be amazing. This looks great. Beautiful. Turn that heat off.
Going to add quite a lot.
Yeah, beautiful. And I think we're ready to plate up, Justine. Beautiful. Bring this over here. So a very, very fast dinner and lots of it, which is great to feed the family. Make sure we get some of that pork.
I love the little speckles of sesame seeds through there. They've toasted nicely, so they've brought out the flavour of it.
Absolutely. You could pre-toast them and then sprinkle it on the end, but it's just easy. Pop it in one fry pan and voila.
I love your cooking, exactly. It is voila, it's that fast. It smells fantastic and it's a great way to show the versatility of egg pasta. Usually we'd put it with an Italian sauce. Today, we've made it into a Chinese dish. Why not?
Exactly.